Good morning, class. Good morning, grade 9. So today, we will study Lady Macbeth's speech or the letter that she reads coming from her husband, which is Macbeth in scene 5, act 1. So, she says a very famous line, "Unsex me here." Again, "Unsex me here." So now, grade 9, when you hear the word sex, you might immediately think that this is about something physical. But let me make this very clear. This line is not about sex at all. Again, it is not about sex at all. Instead, Shakespeare is using language in a figurative way. So, let's break it down using formalist analysis. That means we focus on the words, rhythm, and structure to see that the deeper meaning is being effective. So the first one, language. So, ano kaya yung lingwahe or paano ito sinabi gamit ang isang salita? So, malalaman natin. So, Lady Macbeth says, "Unsex me here." So, ang tanong ko, my question is, what do you think she wants to remove when she says, "unsex"? Grade 9? Alright. So, to answer this question, she is asking the spirit to remove her being a woman. So, why? Because in Shakespearean time, again, grade 9, women were expected to be gentle, nurturing, and full of pity. But Lady Macbeth doesn't want those qualities. That's why she wants to be cruel. She wants to be strong enough to help Macbeth become a king. So, sa madaling sabi, ito ay isang ironical scene na ang ibig sabihin na sinalin sa hindi direktang pangungusap, bagkos idinaan sa wikang may malalim na ibig sabihin. Again, ito ay sinalin sa isang wikang may malalim na ibig sabihin. Naintindihan po ba, grade 9? Okay. So, ito yung other words or violent words na sinabi ni Lady Macbeth habang siya ay nagbabasa ng isang liham. Pangalawa rito ay ang "make thick my blood", na ang ibig sabihin, she wants to block feelings or pity, or gusto niyang gawin ang kanyang dugo na parang isang makapal, or pwedeng isalin sa kahulugang gawing malakas ang loob upang magawa niya ang masamang plano, ang pagpatay sa kasalukuyang hari na si Duncan. So, ang pangatlo nito ay "take my milk for God". So, she wants to replace motherly kindness or milk with poison, which is gall. Ibig naman sabihin nito ay tanggalin ang kanyang pagiging ina. Dahil ang kahulugan ng pagiging ina ay ang pagmamahal, malambot ang puso. So, the language tells us that this scene is about rejecting humanity and choosing ambition. So, Lady Macbeth, class, gusto niyang palitan ang pagkababae niya ng isang pagiging matapang na pagkatao. Kaya naman, hinilang niya sa isang espiritu gamit ang kanyang salitang "unsex me here". So, naintindihan po ba? Okay. So, dito tayo sa number 2, rhythm. So, normally guys, Shakespeare writes a smooth rhythm called iambic pentameter, like a heartbeat, da-dum, da-dum. But Lady Macbeth's speech sounds like a broken and heavy. So class, my question is, does it sound like a normal conversation? Okay, no. Because it sounds like a curse or a chant. Kumbaga, parang merong isang urge na hindi mo mabasa o mawari na may tamang pagkakasabi kasi nga, para siyang isang pasalitang pasumpa. Kaya wala siyang malambot na tunog tulad ng kay Shakespeare's iambic pentameter structure. And that's because the rhythm itself creates a frightening mood, showing how unnatural and dangerous her request is. So dito naman tayo sa number 3, composition, or should I say structure. So let's look at the structure of the scene. First one, Lady Macbeth reads Macbeth's letter. So sa una, kalma lang and very reflective. The number 2, then she calls on the spirits. So naging dark na, naging violent na yung kanyang prayer. The number 3, finally, when she hears King Duncan is coming, she immediately begins planning murder. So sa madaling salita guys, or class, mula sa simple, kalma, hanggang umabot sa nakakakilabot na dasal. Kaya class, ang words na unsex me here ay hindi bastos. Uulitin ko, hindi ito bastos, bagkos, ito ay isang hiling ng isang babae na siya ay isalin sa mas malakas, mas matapang na pagkatao upang masagawa ang kanyang pinaplano. Kaya ito tinawag na unsex kasi ilisan ang totoong pagkatao sa isang bagong pagkatao. Naintindihan po ba? Okay. So ngayon, ang tanong ko, what does this change show us? So, Lady Macbeth is transforming. From wife to ruthless plotter, Shakespearean structured the scene this way to highlight her ambition growing step by step. So when Lady Macbeth says, unsex me here, she is not talking about sex. She is asking to be stripped of her gentle, womanly qualities so she can be filled with cruelty. So, through language, Shakespeare shows her violent ambition. Through rhythm, he creates a dark, curse-like tone. Through composition, he shows her step-by-step transformation. So now class, grade 9, my final reflection question is, if power requires you to give up your kindness and your true self, is it worth it? Or sa Tagalog, if ang pagkakaroon ng kapangyarihan ay kailangan isuko ang ating kabaitan at totoong pagkatao, gagawin ba natin ito o hindi? Siyempre hindi. Kasi mas pipiliin nating masaya tayo sa totoo nating pagkatao. Kaya sa madaling sabi, pipiliin nating maging mabuting tao na walang naaapakan. So hindi natin kailangan mag-unsex class. Hindi natin kailangan sabihin, unsex me here. Kasi hindi na natin kailangan humiling sa spirito na tayo ay unsex dahil mas masaya tayo sa totoo nating pagkatao. So again, that would be all. Sana maliwanagan kayo ng maayos. Maliwanag po ba? Okay. So maganda sa susunod dahil magki-quiz tayo. So that would be all class. I hope you've learned something and let's absorb what the learnings and knowledge that I delivered. So goodbye class. See you next meeting. That would be all.